Hello everyone. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. I'm Shin Matsumoto from Iwashi Nihon, and I'm a financial service manager. The subject of my presentation is crowdfunding. Do you know crowdfunding? Maybe you don't know about crowdfunding, so I'll explain it later. And this topic is very important for us because we can make our dreams come true, or we can contribute to our community by crowdfunding. Then this is a table of contents about this presentation. At first, I would like to talk about what is crowdfunding, and next, cases of crowdfunding portals. Then after that, how to make or support a project. Finally, I will explain conclusions. The next slide is, please see the title, what is crowdfunding? Crowdfunding is the practice of funding a project or venture by raising monetary contributions from a large number of people, typically via the internet. There are different types of crowdfunding. Let's go to the next slide. Let me explain these crowdfunding portals. Kickstarter is reward-based crowdfunding portals, and Just Giving is donation-based crowdfunding portals, and Lending Club is as its name, lending-based crowdfunding portals. So let's go to the next page, and I'll explain them one by one. The most famous crowdfunding portal is Kickstarter. This one is a success project sample. He received about $4 million from 67,000 donors. And Kickstarter is a global crowdfunding platform based in the United States. The company's stated mission is to help bring creative projects to life. Kickstarter has reportedly received over $1 billion in pledges from 5.7 million donors to fund 135,000 projects, which include films, music, stage shows, comics, journalism, video games, and food-related projects. People who back Kickstarter projects are offered tangible rewards, like this one, and special experience in exchange for their pledges. Just Giving is a global online social platform for giving. The firm's headquarters are located in London, and he is Mr. Shinya Yamanaka, a Japanese Nobel Prize winning stem cell researcher, and he collected contributions over 20 billion yen for his research. And the next slide. And Lending Club is a United States peer-to-peer lending and online marketplace lending company, and headquartered in San Francisco, California. Lending Club operates an online lending platform that enables borrowers to obtain a loan and investors to purchase notes backed by payments made on loans. Lending Club is the world's largest online credit marketplace, connected borrowers and investors. So these are the cases of crowdfunding portals. And let's now turn to how to use crowdfunding. Let's go to the next page. If we want to start a project on the crowdfunding portal, at first we have to register on the website and then propose project with funding goal and deadline. We have to make deadline. Then after that, if you make the goal, you'll get money for the project. But almost all crowdfunding portals, if we don't make the goal, we will not be funded. Then, if we want to support a project on the crowdfunding portal, at first we have to register on the website too. And after that, choose a project you feel interested in. If you feel interested in some project, after that, you pledge money to make it happen. And now let's do the next page. Conclusions. I'm now approaching the end of my presentation. For project creators, crowdfunding is a useful tool for those who have something creative and innovative, but they need financial support for the project. And for supporters, it's an avenue to help those who have great ideas that could be helpful to the society. And that's all. Thank you for listening.